got a pair of Audeze LCD-2 headphones with the pads here starting to deteriorate and kind of detach and peel, kind of flaky and nasty. I've got some replacement pads I got off Amazon, sheepskin, cushy. They've got 3M tape applied for them, and also some, instead of the cutout kind, there's also some round ring type. Set that aside. I'll put the link to these down below to Amazon. They're nice and cushy. They look good. So let's first prepare the headphone here. You need to remove the old pad, and these are pretty deteriorated, so this is just going to peel off. However, you need to get the tape also off of the headphone, and we also don't want to get any gloop flakes or anything inside the element. So I'm going to turn it face down and carefully kind of peel all this tape off. I probably won't do it directly on the video. I might try, let's see. So I don't want to get any gloop inside it here. Carefully pick at the tape, and I think if I can get the old tape up, it should just peel off. That wasn't so bad. All right, I'm gonna clean that up a little bit, and then we'll do the other one. I'll go back and kind of get that edge cleaned up. I've got all these surfaces nice and cleaned up. I did use a little bit of rubbing alcohol around the edge. Do not get anything in here. It will ruin the headphones. Do not put your fingers in there. Do not touch it. Do not get debris or dust or anything in there. No touchy. So next, we're going to put the pads on, and these have a thin side and a thick side. This is the front, this is the back. So the part with the seam is the front. The front gets aligned with the headphone where the jacks are. So this is going to get put in right. Let's see if I can do this. These go to the front. It's going to go on square, just like that, and then you press it on. Just make sure you get everything cleaned up, ready to go before you peel the sticky tape off. And then once you put it on, you're not going to be able to move it around a whole lot, so be very careful and make sure you get it on square. You align this, use the little nut there to align it. Take the skinny part and just, sticky. And put it right, where'd it go? Put it right on. Just perfect like that. Don't press it, do a quick check to make sure it's centered. Don't quite like the way that is. Oh, too late. Okay, I'll just slide it in there and then give it some good squishiness. And the idea here is you want to make sure that the tape is all adhered. It creates a seal which helps for the bass end of these headphones, have excellent bass. It's important to get a seal between the headphone and your head. So yeah, just make sure these are all squished in there. All right, now I'll do the other side. We'll get the other one here, do a quick peel. Set that there. This. Make sure you look. The front is where the jack is, which is the front, and the little nut is there. And we'll take our seam and carefully stick this. I'm going to try and do a better job with this one. The other one's extremely close. I'm very happy with it, actually. I just was trying to get it perfect. There we go. Okay, there it is. All right, squish, 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 squish. Excellent. Very easy to update these pads. I'll put a link to the pads down in the description. They're soft and cushy. They make a great seal. They feel nice. Highly recommended to update your pads to get rid of the shreddies.
I think the girls with their nails done now.